Alright, welcome back to the channel. So for today's episode I'm going to just have a look at this clock. It works okay, there's nothing wrong with this clock. So if you remember in the previous video I had a clock that I broke that my son made me, so I replaced the clock mechanism. And obviously, as I said in that video, I'll link it down below. I've ordered the wrong ones to start with. So what I thought I'd do with this one is, as I said, it still works okay, but it's sort of inverted commas the old school ones that it ticks. So the ticking can get a little bit frustrating at times, just because it's a background noise that is a bit annoying at times. So I'm going to see if I can put one of the noiseless ones that I bought with the thinner head stock on it. So maybe this one, and see if it'll actually go in there, and see if I can make it work again quietly. So I have no idea how to pull this apart, except straight away I can see there's a couple of plastic clips here. So I'm kind of hoping that all I've got to do is push those in, and this front fascia will fall off. So then I can get to the hands and pull those off, and then I can see here there's a couple of plastic clips here as well. So we'll grab the trusty old little flat blade and see if it pushes everything out of the way. Always looks very simple straight up, but then you don't want to push too hard and break plastic and all that sort of stuff. So I'm trying to be nice. It's going to be one of those things that's going to be really easy to put together, because it'll just pop straight back in. But to get it to come out in the first place is going to be a little bit more of a challenge. As I said, I don't want to push too hard and break things. But sometimes you actually have to do that, because otherwise it just doesn't come out. So I'm just going to be the screwdriver here, just because it's going to be able to put a bit more force on there. Actually, maybe I should just go from this side. There we go. Gotcha. Alright, other side. Alright, this one's being a little bit more of a challenge. There we go. So I'll just push these out. Just so I can get to a point where I can actually grab hold of the plastic here and get it out. There we go. Alright, now these should just pull off, same as they all do. And then this just unclips as well. Apparently. It's the fun thing with all these things like this, they're always made to go together, not to come apart. And that just popped. There we go. No, I broke the clip off. Okay. Okay, but it's got a fairly short shank as well, so we should be right. So I'll just take the nut and bolt, nut and washer off this one. we go. I might even put the washer and the nut back on it. Not that it needs it because it's got the clips holding it in, but just why not? Right, now we'll grab the hands from this one. Don't mind me having a bit of a challenge over this side of the spot because I'm trying to get the hands out. They're stuck now with sticky tape. No, I'm just bending the hands a little bit because otherwise they're going to crash into each other. Bit of a balancing act to get the clearance right. That's better. Alright. Just put the lid back on. I need to make sure that it's not going to hit the lid as well. That looks good. I'll just grab a battery and pop that in. Alright, and as you can see, that's quite happily working now, and quietly, without the tick. So that can run in the lounge room and not be too distracting when you're trying to have dinner or something. It's not like the old clocks, that'd be nice, but not the younger ones. Alright, well thanks for watching the quick short video about swapping a clock mechanism out. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for me.